Does this bass hit different, or is it just me? No, it definitely hits different. I can't wait for the second bass drop.
It's second one.
Ricky Desktop guy is really up to something.